Good morning, Bacha Party. How are you all? Hope you did a lot of masti and enjoyed yourself. Yes, after the lot of masti, now we will move on to our studies. Be serious, come into serious mode, study mode, and then we'll start our studies, right? So, in our last period, we had done glossary, that is the word meanings. Did you all learn the word meanings? Yes? Okay, let's revise. Crust. What do you mean by crust? The hard brown outer part of bread. Very good. That's like a good boy. Boys and girls, all my bachas have learned the answers. Very good. Next word is yelled. What do yelled? Shouted. Yes, you shouted and gave me the answer. Bargain. In this chapter, bargain means to exchange, right? Lilacs. Pale purple or white flowers. Pale purple or white flowers. Right? Now porch. What do you mean by a porch? An area in front of the house covered by a roof. Correct? Next is crumb. A tiny piece of bread. What do you mean by crumb? A tiny piece of bread. Companion. Companion, a person with whom you spend a lot of time. Companion, a person with whom you spend a lot of time. And the last word is sigh. Sigh means breathe out slowly. When you run and get tired, that time you sit down and breathe loudly, those noises come. Yes, that is known as sigh. Now, let's move on to the question and answers. What did the old woman want to eat? Yes, come on, come on. How many hands are up? Yes, I can see most of the students have learned the answer. Half of the children have put their hands up, right? So, the answer is, check whether you are correct or wrong. The answer is, shall I give the answer? Right, okay. So, the answer is, the old woman wanted to eat apple dumpling. Yes. What did she have in her garden? What did she have in her garden? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. No, no out of turn. When your turn comes, that time you will give the answer, right? Yes. So, the old woman had an apple tree in her garden. Apple tree? Am I right? No. No, ma'am. Then the right answer is a plum tree. Correct. So, the old woman had a plum tree in her garden. Right? Now, the next question, whom did she meet first? Whom did she meet first? Who was the first person she met? Yes. Yes. She met a young lady first. Right? And what did she get in exchange of those plums? In return for plums? Yes. The old woman got a bag of feathers in return for her plums. Right? And one more question is left. Correct. What is that question? Who is the writer of the story? Come on, repeat after me. You have forgotten the name or else you are not able to pronounce it correctly. Maud Lindsay. Yes, come on, repeat after me. Maud Lindsay is the writer of the lesson, right? Now, we move on to the next question. The next question is, what did the old woman have? What three things the old woman had to make apple dumpling? Right? So, this is question number 6. What What did the old, what three things we'll write down, okay? So it will make the question very clear. What three things the old woman had to make apple dumpling? What three things the old woman had to make apple dumpling? Answer: the old woman had butter, flour and sugar to make apple dumpling. Right? So yes, come on, repeat the question after me. What three things the old woman had to make apple dumpling? Now what are the three things? What did she have to make apple dumpling? Yes, the old woman had butter, flour and sugar to make apple dumpling. But she only had one thing that was missing, was she had no apples, right? And she wanted apples to make the apple dumpling. Next, question number 7. Right? Moving on to question number 7. Why did the old woman set out with a basket of plums? Why did the old woman set out with a basket of plums? Why did she set out with a basket of plums? Yes? What is the question? Read the question thoroughly, then you will get the meaning of the question. Why क्यों the old woman set out बाहर निकली with a basket of plums? प्लम्स की टोकनी लेके, जामुन की टोकनी लेके वो बाहर क्यों निकली? एप्पल्स ढूंढने के लिए? Right, very good. So the answer is, now you are going to start from the old woman set out with a basket of plums. This is from the question itself, and what we have to learn is that we'll see. Okay, so the old woman set out with a basket of plums in search of apples with someone. In search of apples with someone. कोई व्यक्ति तो मिल जाएगा जिसके पास में उसको एप्पल्स मिल जाएंगे. Someone what is the answer? Let's see the question once again. Why did the old woman set out with a basket of plums? So, same line is repeated from the question. The old woman, because the answer starts with the question, right? The old woman set out with a basket of plums in search of apples. What you have to learn is in search of apples with someone. किसी के साथ exchange कर लेती apples, right? So, this is your question number 7. Now, what is question number 6? Let's revise it. What 3 things the old woman had to make apple dumpling? What are the 3 things she had? So, the old woman had butter, flour and sugar to make apple dumpling. Butter, everybody knows what is butter. Butter is makhan, right? Flour, flour यानी आटा. Sugar, shakkar, right? So, isn't the answer very clear and easy? Yes. So, repeat after me. The old woman had butter, flour and sugar to make apple dumpling. The next question is, why did the old woman set out with a basket of plums? The old woman set out with a basket of plums in search of apples with someone. She wanted to exchange it and she wanted to get the apples. So she went on with a basket of plums. The next question is question number 8. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 8. Why did the old woman accept यानी मान गई, ले लिए, accept feathers from the accept feathers from lady. Yes. What is the question? Read the question. Why did the old woman accept feathers from the young lady? उस young lady से उसने feathers का bag क्यों ले लिया? Accept करना मतलब ले लेना, right? So why did she accept? So the answer is the old woman accepted feathers from the young lady because feathers will be easier to carry than plums. अब ओल्ड वुमेन ने फेदर्स का बैग क्यों ले लिया? क्योंकि फेदर्स का बैग प्लम्स से हल्का होगा, लाइट वेट होगा, इसीलिए बिकॉज फेदर्स विल बी इजियर टू कैरी देन द plums, right? Let's read the answer once again before moving on to the next question. Why did the old woman accept feathers from the young lady? The old woman accepted, past tense, feathers from the young lady because feathers will be easier to carry than plums. Okay? The next question is, what did the old woman offer the old man? What did the old woman offer the old man? Offer the old man in exchange for some apples. Now read the question. What is the question? Yes. What did the old woman offer the old man in exchange for some apples? Exchange बदले में ओल्ड वुमेन ने ओल्ड मैन को क्या दिया? व्हाट डिड शी गिव इन एक्सचेंज? यस, ओल्ड मैन, ही इन द लास्ट द ओल्ड वुमेन सॉ एन एप्पल ट्री इन हिज हाउस. यस, कैन यू गेट द आंसर? आई एम गेटिंग इट. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट डाउन द आंसर. द ओल्ड woman offered, what did the old woman offer? She offered a puppy. Correct. She offered a puppy to the old man in exchange for some apples. Now see, while writing the answer, most of the part of the answer is covered in the question itself. Only you have to learn what is to be learned, right? There are only a word, 2 or 4 words which are to be learned. Now see, from the question itself, now pay attention, look into the question. The old woman offer will turn into offered. Now what is to be learned? Only a single word, that is a puppy. A puppy. Whom offer to the old man in exchange for some apples. The remaining part is also in the question, only a word, that is a puppy, you have to learn. Looking into the question itself, you can frame the answer. You must never leave the answer in your exams. What happens? You say, मैम मेरे को तो याद ही नहीं आ रहा है. अरे याद क्या नहीं आ रहा? सारा कुछ तो क्वेश्चन में है. एक पपी भर तो लिखना है आपको, right? So you have to use your brains little. कॉपी करना है क्वेश्चन में से आंसर को. सो हाउ यू विल राइट डाउन द आंसर नाउ. सी, द ओल्ड वुमेन offered a puppy to the old man in exchange for some apples. See, a big answer, but only how much you have to learn is a small word, that is puppy. And what is the spelling of puppy? Puppy. Finish. Right? So, isn't it easy? Yes. The next question. Question number 10. This chapter has a lot of questions because the story is also very interesting. What kind of a person was the old woman? Yes. What kind of a person was the old woman? Now, yes, how was the old woman? What can you tell about her? Think. Yes, what kind of a person was that old woman? The old woman was kind, helpful, and firm. Now see, the old woman was kind. How do you come to know about her kindness? Dayalu thi. When the young woman was fighting for pillows and she was telling no, cotton will make the softest pillow, उस वक्त उन्होंने यंग लेडी को गाइड किया, उसको बताया, और वो काइंड थी. उसने बैग ऑफ फेदर्स दे दिए थे, बदले में उसने बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स लिया. अब जब रास्ते में उसको यंग लॉर्ड मिला जो बड़ा दुखी था, उसके पास में फिंगरिंग नहीं मिली थी एंगेजमेंट के लिए. ही डिड नॉट हैव हिज गोल्ड रिंग, द ज्वेलर डिड नॉट गिव हिज गोल्ड रिंग. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? ही वाज वेरी सैड. सो शी ट्राइड टू हेल्प हिम बाय गिविंग अवे द bouquet of flowers. And to that old poor mother whose children were hungry and she had no food, usko de diya without waiting for thanks. She did not wait to get the thanks from her. She left by giving her the gold chain. सोने की चेन कौन देता है? नहीं देते. लेकिन yes, man, she was firm. Firm मतलब अपने इरादे में पक्की थी. She wanted to eat the apple dumpling. So she took all the efforts to bring down the apples and eat apple dumpling. She did not say नहीं यार मिल तो नहीं रहा है, अब रहने दो, नहीं खाती हूँ. नहीं, खाना तो है, कोशिश तो मैं करूँगी लास्ट मोमेंट तक. right? She kept on trying and she, you know how many times she had met and she had exchanged the things. right? So this is the answer. What kind of a person was the old woman? And the old woman was kind, helpful and firm. She was firm in her decisions and she did not change her decisions. And what message is she giving us? The message she is giving us is try till you succeed, and if you try hard, you'll get the result of your hard work, right? And here we come to an end of question and answers, right? And we will be writing the summary after this. After this, we will be writing down the summary of the chapter, right? So moving on to the summary. SUMMARY, summary. Right. What do you mean by summary? Summary मतलब पूरा चैप्टर का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा जो मैं कहानी के माध्यम से आपको सुनाऊंगी, जो आप भी किसी को सुना सकते हो. Right? So what is the chapter about? The chapter is about an old woman. So the chapter is about an old woman who wanted to eat apple dumpling. Yes, come on, repeat the line after me. Yes, are you all repeating? Okay, so what is the chapter about? The chapter is about an old woman who wanted to eat apple dumpling. She had a plum tree in her garden, right? Now the next point, you are going to start it from a new line so that it makes you very easy to learn. She had a plum tree in her garden, but she had no apples. Now she wanted to eat the apple dumpling. She had a plum tree in her garden, but she had no apples. When she had no apples, what did she do? She sets out with a basket of plums. Now she sets out with a basket of plums. See, now you can make a small basket like this, right? You have made a basket. Now there are round plums in it. Okay? See, you can do the drawing. All round plums are kept. What do you mean by plums? Yes, what do you mean by plums? Plums means जामुन. उनकी टोकनी में क्या रखे थे? जामुन. Right? What was kept in her basket? Right? So she had plums in her basket. She had a plum tree. Now here you can draw a small plum tree like this. Okay? With plums on her tree. Then she moves further. The first person she meets is a young lady. She meets a young lady. Right? The lady wanted to cook plum jelly. Then they exchange it. She exchanged the plums with a bag of feathers. She exchanged the plums with a bag of feathers. Then The old woman moved further to exchange the bag of feathers right. So what we have written down the summary is, this chapter is about an old woman who wanted to eat apple dumpling. She had a plum tree in her garden, but she had no apples. She sets out with a basket of plums. She meets a young lady. The lady wanted to cook plum jelly. She exchanged the plums with a bag of feathers. The old woman moved further to exchange the bag of feathers. She exchanged the bag of feathers with a bouquet of flowers. Right? Then she met a young lord. She met a young lord on the King's Highway. And who seemed very sad, who seemed very sad, and she gave him the bouquet of flowers. The young lord gave her a gold chain. Right? So, we will continue the summary later on, and we come to an end of this part over here. In the next period, we will write down the remaining parts of the summary, right? So, hope the question and answers are very, very clear. Note them down neatly, correctly, without mistakes, and send me your work if it is done. Send me, ma'am, I have completed my work. Okay? If you have any problem, you can contact me on my phone number. My phone number is there in your group. You can have a talk with me. If you face any problem, if you have not understood anything, you can tell me and I will explain it to you again. Right? Okay, then bye-bye. Wish you all the best.